what's up guys, we're back with another video here today. Yeah, sorry about the late start. um I had some technical issues that I had to fix, but it's all good now. So we're back at it again. um Today's video we're just continuing on what I left off from previously, yesterday, with the stream where we were continuing to build the gift shop website. So that is what we're going to get into in today's stream. So make sure you all like the video, share, subscribe, and you know make sure that at the end of the video let me know what is your thoughts. And yeah, just let me just make sure everything here is okay. Yeah, so that make sure I have to always double check, make sure everything is nice. Okay, yeah, it's good. Make sure here is good as well too. Let me just check something everywhere. Yeah, okay, everything is good. Everything looks nice. Hold on, let me just check here. Okay, yeah, everything is good. All right, cool. That is dope, man. So yeah, so let's just jump straight into it already. Not take up too much of your time. Um, yeah. So what we're going to do, and I'm closing some of these tabs here. Let's open up this and let's run it. And make sure that you'll hear me fine as well. Ready? Take it. Yeah, you all can hear me fine as well. All right, let's. Where is my folder? There it is. This npm run dev. Then let's go to client and let's run this. Let's go npm start. And voila, it is here, right? But before, let me just move this here real quick so I can put this in full screen. All right. So as you can see from what we fixed last stream was I fixed the links. I fixed like the story part of this. Also the shop part as well is fixed. So this also is fixed as well. The about is fixed also. Well, the contact pages is always good, and well, cards is always good. Login was always good, and register, that was always good as well. Then the return policies, you can see all of them are good as well. You know what I think I should maybe add to this is like a transition. You know, because well there's a few things I just want to like tweak. So basically with this stream what I'm going to do is add a few more tweaks to this, and just make sure everything is functional. So I would check like the newsletter, ensure that that is functional. um Also check the different paying options that I have to ensure that that is functional as well. uh Also as well check the admin dashboard to see if not hold on, let me actually kind of write down some of these things here though. Oh wait, where it is. So just like kind of, get a idea of what to do for the stream. So what we would do for the stream, right, is so we will check is the to check if the newsletter is working. Also, oh sorry, well just say check the different paying options to see if they work. and then so that is one, that is two. Then like add a transition to the um add a transition the to the pages. Then we would check the admin dashboard to see if it is working. Yeah, so I think, or also as well, for the email notifications as well, to check if contact the contact page is working, and check for email notifications when something is submitted. When something is submitted, right? So I have a few checklists here of stuff that we have to get done. So I guess the first thing I could really do, to be honest, because hopefully I don't think I should. Oh shoot, damn, did you all see that? Hold on, let me, that one of you all saw that. 1 second. I mean, man, if I just exclude myself there, I mean, I guess it is what it is, right? But let me just double check though. Ah, shit, yeah, you all did. Ah, damn it. Ah, well, that's okay. Let's go to here, let's go to here, and then let's go to, yeah, so sorry about this. Let me just kind of fill this form offline, or not really offline, but in this part here. Then let me just open up this terminal console. Yeah, see, it said it didn't work. So the contact, yeah, so we had to fix the contact page as well. And let me hit, oh wait, I wonder if it's because, hold on, let me just do this real quick. Let me change the email. Okay, nah. Then let me just um 2004@gmail.com. Yes, I don't know if that worked. Okay. So look like there's a few couple of things that we just have to get done in today's stream. So let's look to figure these things out, man. So I guess that, so we have to fix the email. We have to fix the contact page, add some transitions. I mean, do I really need transitions, man? I mean, let's look at um I mean, let's look at something real quick. Do they have any transitions? No, they don't. Interesting. Let's see something here again, though. Let's go to this one. Oh, sweet. Speaking about responsive, is this? No. Okay. So this is another thing we have to fix. We have to fix the responsive design as well too. Okay. So look like we have a couple of bugs to fix, couple of things to fix. It is a lot, but we will get it done. And I'm sure once I finish with those things, that will pretty much be it. But let me log in, and let me log in into the dashboard aspect of this. So, oh yeah, and I have to fix this login as well. Let me add this as well too. Alright. So yeah, there is a couple of things that we really have to fix. And let me just move this here. And let me just fill this out because I have to have my like private information on this, so I have to fill this offline. or on another screen. Open up this, do this, and then log in. Wait, what? Bro, no way that just crashed, bro. What? Okay, never mind. It worked, which is very strange, but okay. I don't know why it did that. It worked, but it crashed at the same time. But okay, that was pretty weird. But yeah, let's go to the admin. Okay, so it look like I have to fix the admin aspect of this then. All right, so you know what we're gonna do, because this is a lot of new errors and new bugs, and I don't think um I think it can maybe handle, because I know there's a limit, right? So it maybe can handle some of these requests, ChatGPT. So what I'm going to have to do is see how much of these problems I can fix, right? So let's just go to the checklist, right? So what is maybe the first thing I can do? I may let me check one more side though, because I mean I don't think I'd really adding a transition to a like a page like this makes sense though. Yeah, I don't think like this let's read this. Yeah, see like Nike, some of these websites don't have them. Bro, why you keep recommending me this bro? But why is the website so buggy, or is it my Wi-Fi? But yeah, you can see some of them don't have it. So now let me try one more. Let's see Adidas. Do Adidas have any transitions for their websites? Let's see. I mean, they just have a loading screen. Nah, they don't really. All right, so you know what? I would I would remove would remove the first. So someone messaged me. So yeah, I remove the transitions, and I wouldn't add any transitions to this. If these popular websites don't have them, or these popular companies don't have like they don't have transitions to their websites, well then I wouldn't do it as well. So I guess let's start with something pretty basic. Let's try to fix the logging page. So let me open back up this project now. Go here. Sorry, wait, let me move this here, put this across here, put this here. All right, let me close this down. And let me open it back up again. Where is the page? Where is the file? Too long. All right, let's go. Open up this npm run dev. Make sure that opens. Then open up another terminal. npm start. Open up that, and it will appear on the other screen. So bang, it's here. So let's start with the first one, which is, so let me log out though. And yet I would say let's fix this login page. So understand. All right. So it it is fixed now, but now I have a couple more tweaks and improvements I will like to add to this website. The first fix I would like to add is that my login.jsx file has the horizontal bar at the bottom, meaning it is not fixed properly for my screen. I'll just say that here's my login.js and then CSS file. Can you fix this, please? All right, and let's go to this. Where's login and CSS? All right, let's go out. All right, so it's just giving me the code right now. So when it's done, I'll just copy and paste this and let's see what the new one looks like. All right, so let's copy this now. Hopefully this fixes it. There we go. All right, so there we go. Make sure registers okay. All right, so that is one bug down. That's beautiful. So let's remove this. Let's remove that. And what we should do now is also fix the. So since we're on fixing design layouts, okay. So another layout problem I am having is that my pages are let me make sure though, is it really not? Let's make sure. Yeah. Oh, I should say that. Well, looks like if I go to home, so, okay, so it look like it's the footer then. Yeah, so it look like it's the footer though, the shop. Yeah, so look like, yeah, all these here are adaptable. Let's go to contact. Yeah, all of them are good. Okay, let me add something to the cart real quick. The carts. Yeah, all these are good. Let's go to login. All right, so look like I have to fix the footer and the header. Yeah, so if it's a footer, I guess another problem I'm having is that my footer and my header are not well. Let's do one more check though. I believe that this is laptop size, right? I'm guessing this is size for laptops. Yes, look like it's good for like laptops. Yeah, it's adaptable to like laptops. I need to make it. Is there a way? I mean, yeah, this is laptop. Yeah, this is. I mean, this is okay. I think tablets are like this size though. If I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I think tablets are this size. But I don't think. Yeah, I don't think it's. Yeah, it's not adaptable though. Yeah. So okay. So another layer problem I'm having is that I should say that my foot and header are not responsive to tablet screens and and phone screens. Also, the header will need a drop-down menu. So I'll say that so I provide you my files in case you would have forgot, and can you fix these problems that I have, please? All right, so let me just send it to, so let's go to header.jsx. Let's send it this one first. Where is it? The footer, header, let's go. So this is the header. This is the footer.jsx. Then let me now send it the CSS, which is header.css. Alright, let me send it. Where is it? Where? Okay, footer, then header. Alright, let's copy this. Put this here. Then now let's do oh shit, it didn't pull up the, okay, never mind, it did. Never mind. Right, and then let's do the footer.css. And bang, let's fix this. Should look like I have to update the header.jsx file. Let's scroll along and see what is working on. Then update the header, respond to the menu plus hamburger. Then footer, small tweak for mobile. Right. So let's upgrade this code now. So let me switch codes again. Sorry, switch screens again, sorry. Right, so let's now say updated. Where's my header? Much code I have 50. Let's see if it did update it. Make sure. Okay, so it did have that there. Okay, so let's add the hamburger now. Yeah, just looking at it just to make sure. Right, fix, then footer. Did I really add anything? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Let's remove some of these things here. And then make sure though. Okay, now everything there is clean. Alright, let's remove this and copy exactly what it gave me. Alright, and let's now switch screens. Put this back here. Alright, open up this. Then open up this. And let's see how it looks. Let me just refresh just to make sure everything is consistent. Alright, let's go to the home page. And let's do this now. Here, everything looks intact. Let's do this. Okay, that looks good. Ah, there we go. Nice. Let's go to shop. I mean, it didn't really do it properly, but it's okay. I mean, it could have fit the newsletter better though. I won't lie. Hold on, let me just make this a bit smaller. Yeah, let me just 80. You know what? Let's go to 70. Make it 70. That looks a bit better. And let's go to 70 here too. I mean, why does it look? That's very strange because if I go back to the main, yeah, it does. I don't get why it looks bigger. It's very strange, man. But okay. At least it's fixed now. So we can. I like it. I'll stick with that. So we can remove that now. So where it is so fixed responsive design. So responsive design is good now. So we can remove that. So let's fix the admin dashboard. Yeah, let's fix the admin dashboard. All right, so let me log back in. So let me just put this here for now. And let me just put this here for now too. And let me log in. Log in. Where is it? Where is the password? Oh wait, shoot. Putting the wrong password. Well, the wrong email, sorry. Then let's go here, then copy this, right, and paste it there, login, yeah, blah, 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 get the error. Fresh, all right, so what I'm going to do, so now that this is pulled up, what I'm going to do, you know what, I actually should actually style this contact page, to be honest. I don't think this contact page has any styling, though. Now I'm kind of looking at it. Yeah, I should add some styling to this contact page. Hold on 1 second. Let me, yeah. Also for my on, yeah, let me actually add some styling to this. Hold on. I'll come back to that, but looking, yeah, I'm kind of looking at that, and yeah, it doesn't look styled. So yeah, this, I don't think, yeah, that isn't styled. So let me fix that real quick. Well, you know, if I'm going to fix it, I might as well just add, yeah. Okay, so yeah, let's do the contact page. I'll come back to the admin because I can kill two birds with one stone for this one, and I'll also give it the I'll give it, where is the code? So let me pull up this code in the meanwhile. Where is it? So there it is. Then the contact. Oh, that is true. I didn't have a contact.css. Ah, that's why. Okay. So I need to create a I need to create a contact.css page. Okay. So what I'm going to do, so let me get the errors from this. So what I'm going to do first is, so let me just tell it the problem I'm having. So also I have a problem with my contact dot, and I mean, it doesn't really matter about if you put a capital C or a capital or common C, it would understand. So also I have a problem with my content.jsx file. The issues I am having is that the page needs styling and it does not have a contact.css file. Also, when I submit data into, I say, information into the form, I should get a email notification. Also, when I submit data into the form, I get this error. All right. So because I'm kind of cautious on what would happen with this, let me just put this here for now. And let me just, y'all can hold on to for this for meanwhile. Because there is some sensitive information with this part though. So I don't really want to reveal too much of that because I can't get myself doxxed. So um let me just do this real quick. Here's my env file. So also when I submit data into the form, I get this error. Right, so let me submit data into this form here, and let me capture the error. Oh, so I should log out, and then let me just put the information here. Let me just put the information from here. Right, so wait, why did it log me in as admin? What the hell? What the hell? Brethren, what the hell? Let's go to contact and let's enter information. Oh wait, sorry. Let me not use that email. Let me use a different email. All right, and then let's press hi. And then let's press submit. Let's copy the errors. It said fail to sending message. Said fail to send message again. And then we'll see this. this error in my console. All right, let's submit this. Yeah, the issue I hate about doing some of these is that you actually, I should probably make a burner account, but it's like, uh, that's the only problem when it comes to sensitive data like this. You can't really show everything on stream because if you do, you technically kind of doxing yourself. And yeah, I'm not trying to dox myself. Yeah, bro, I'm not. Even though it kind of did, but is what is. Let's see if there's any doxing information here though. Okay, I think everything is fine. Let's see, did it, uh, okay, nah, it's safe to share. All right, cool. It's safe to share. All right, so hold on, and let me just minus some of these. All right, so backend issue, funding request. Someone fix the backend route so you have your form moves in your backend node. You need a contact route that the person using node to send you email. Here's an example for route.contact. Then in your server ending backend file mount the route. Also saying that I should add a contact.jsx route. Okay. So let's add this new file now called contact.jsx. Then copy this, put it into that file, right? Then in your server or in next backend file, mount this route. Then it's saying in my server.jsx, it's saying that import it. So I have to go scroll up to the top. Well, I didn't really have anything to import it though. What the hell? On my server.jsx don't have an import. Huh? Wait, what? Yeah, it doesn't have. That is strange. I guess I can just use const dot contact routes. You know what? Nah, I shouldn't do that. Okay, you know what? Nah, no, let me actually take a safer. Oh shoots. Let me actually take the safer route here though. Okay. Let me control this. Yeah, let me kind of fix some of these things here though. There is a lot. So let me just copy this. Right. Let's go back to this now. Shoot, damn it, man. I keep doxing myself. That shit. Why, bro? Well, okay. It did not fix it though. It did not fix the styling properly, but that is okay. Okay, so you know what I'm going to tell it to do. All right, so let's make this easier. So we have a couple of problems. So let's make this easy, right? So what we're going to do is that, okay, so I created the the contact dot .js file route. Can you now update my server.js file while leaving my logic intact and ensuring everything is functional, right? That's the first one. And then what I'm going to tell it, so I will send it that file. Then also, can you um where is this though? I probably can Control F access. You know, I would tell it to upgrade that as well too. Also, can you update my contact.jxs file? Also, you need to you did not add any, well, I shouldn't say that. Also, you did not style the contact page properly because it still looks how would you do, for example, the texts are long, the input input boxes are long, and the send message is long. They need to be shorter. Also, do not forget about responsive design to ensure that it can ensure that it looks good for mobile tablets and laptops and PCs. All right, so let me send it. So I need to send it the contact.jxx. Let me send it that. Then I need to send it my server.js. And yeah, pretty much, yeah. I mean, I could send it the contact page as well too. Doesn't matter. Let me send it contact.css. All right, so let's get these fixes together. And yeah, let's fix them from there. And wait for these errors. Well, for these bugs, for these fixes. Sends everything. Let's copy this. Right. Then contact.jsx. So how much could I have at 49? Oh, what is all these errors, bro? Hold on. Okay, hold on. I need to restart this. Let me just restart this real quick. Okay, let me kind of probably switch this for you all here real quick too. All right. Then let's go on it. So npm run dev. All right, so it's running. Then let's go to the client and open up this, then press npm start. All right, then open up that, and then it should pop out on my other screen. Right, so right, contact page is fixed. Let's go, nice, nice. Make sure that it's responsive. Yes, it is responsive as well. Right, so that is that. Then what we had to fix was the server. Let's copy this. Then how much code I have? I had 85. Something broke. It removes something. Let me just double check this real quick. I'm not seeing what it added though. Seeing. Okay, now I'm seeing it. So it's saying that, oh, it removed the order routes. That's why. Interesting. Okay, so let's do this. So let's put this here. All right, and then let's put this right here as well too. Where is it? It's in mountain roads. And put this right here. And let's check the back end. Yeah, the back end looks good. So what I'll do is let me close the server. And then let's try this one more time. So let's open it back up again. Where's the folder? Where's the folder? All right, let's open it up. Then press npm run dev. Open up that. Then press npm start. And let's open open back up on the other server here. Sorry, it keeps saying other server. It open on this screen here. So let's. Oh wait, keep again. I can't show that because I would yeah, technically dox myself. So then give me 1 second. Let me see if it works. Um. You'll just hold on to that screen for a bit. It's saying that contact form submission. Okay, so I'm still getting an error. Um, Damn man, I saw people waiting on me real quick. Hold on, So so it's saying that it's still not giving me. Let me just remove my, because I said I don't want to dox myself, right? So it's saying that I'm still getting an error. I don't think anything is doxful here though, right? Okay, let me. All right, so I just said, okay, so I am still getting an error, but let me check. But before I check that, though, let me check the terminal, right? Okay, the function. Okay, so I'm seeing an error now. So what I will do is let me copy this. Dude, I'm crash waiting for. So let me. Oh shoot, wrong page. Right. So let's go. So okay, so I'm still getting an error. Here are the errors I am getting. This one very quick. Okay. Why Rumble no send me that notification? That's crazy. So let's go with terminal. So this is the terminal error. Then let's go with the bruh. Then let's go with the console error. Let's take this console error. Bro, why stop doing that? And then page error. Wait, one thing. Let me check. Am I supposed to be logged in? Hold on, let me check. Oh wait, I am logged in. So okay, yeah. Also, I am logged in. So for that, please review. Sometimes you have to like kind of check ChatGPT a bit. So what I would tell it that, hey, so hey, please review the code that you gave me and ensure that you understand the logic. I will provide codes for you to help you out. So what I'm thinking, it probably get an error because of some file. So what I'll do, so let me send it the app.jxs. So I'll give it a couple of files here because I think it's failing because it does probably have the proper routes. So what I'll do is I'll just send some of these files to it. So let me close down some of these things here. So let me start with, well, okay, let me go through the files that I may need. So already have the content.jsx out. Um, I don't know if you may need a mod a module file as well to help. I never me and not module, but I'll just put that there for now. All right, so I have that file up there as well. I guess it'll technically be just more for the back end, right? So what I'll do, oh yeah, let me send it the app.jxs as well with that file. Trying to find it. All right, so let me send it app.jxs and also let me send it protected routes. All right, so let me send app.jxs first. Let me send it contact now, contact.jxx. And as I said, this is what I like to do to like kind of get the best out of ChatGPT. Hold on, I'm getting some notifications. Okay, never mind. Let's go to auth.jsx, auth.js, then protected routes. And I'll try my best to fix this because it's kind of running a bit short on time here. I had something to do with someone, so let's try to get this to work, and whatever else I didn't get to fix, I will do this. Well, as I said, we will finish this tomorrow. Well, not finish it, but try our best to finish as much as we can. All right. All right, so let's send it all these files and let's see if it can come up with a response. So it says that it sees exactly what's happening. So let's see if it understood. So it's saying that your crash here type however means that in server or file is not exporting an expressor but like it's just a plain object or module. It can express something like control equal express. If that's missing, you will get the error you're seeing. Fix for router please create as an update server route content JS. Okay, so let me go back to the content.js. Here, let me just copy this real quick. So I have 44 files here. Okay, so it did not what is the problem though? What your client saw because the server crash was to make sure you like restart your backend, test your contact. I'm not seeing what changes did you make though, is what I'm trying to get at. Let me ask it. What changes did you make? So before you had cons equals about the file wasn't gonna express. After now we export the impact. So it's saying that I had something called, it's saying that before you had control F, so that's const const I didn't. Yeah, I didn't have that. I don't know what is. Oh, well, I didn't have that there. I don't know what he's talking about. I did not have that function. Your current asks your calling was failing because your server had crashed once this was missing. You must export the routes. Or say what? Say not. Okay, so let's try this again then. Let me close this down. Let's close this. Let's run this back again then. Let me run it back. Open up this. If it doesn't work here, then we will do this tomorrow. npm run dev, and then npm start. And just to make sure, let's log out. Ooh, damn it. This did not fix, bro. You should see something here. Okay, that did not fix. Okay, look like we have some more. Alright, I'll fix that another time. Because yeah, that's not really a hard bug to fix. Uh, alright, so we're logged in. And let's go to home. So let's go to contact. And let's see if it works. So yes, let's go. It worked. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It worked. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. It worked. All right. Now, one thing that's a double check though is let me pull this up to the side. Well, yeah, let me pull this up to the side because I don't really want to send the. Yes, it worked. Beautiful. It worked. It worked. It worked. Nice. All right. Cool. 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 All right. All right. So what I did get a notification, so that's good. So what I'll do, I'll end it here because I have some people I have something to do real quick. So we have some more. So we have to fix the login because it's not working. If I refresh this real quick. So even though, man, I could fix this real quick, man. Hold on. Let me just check the console. Okay, let me just wait. Hold on. Before I do that, yes, it is clean here. All right, cool. Okay, let me just. What is the name of this? What's the name of this? It's called .form group input. All right, let me fix this real quick. Where is it? Okay, not CSS. What's the name of it? .form group input. Oh, but it did. But I mean, it did say that it's 100% though. So I don't get why it's doing that. Let's check for register. Yeah, even registers you need same as well. Is it because of okay, you know what, this look like it's a massive issue. Sorry. You know what? I'll fix it another time. Alright, I'll fix it another time. Alright, cool. So, you know, yeah, I'll just kind of write down what we have to do for next stream. So clearly there's some bugs that we have to fix here. And but yeah, we got a contact form to work and we fix it as well. So that's dope. So what we have to do next week is just to, oh, sorry, what? Wow. What we do tomorrow, sorry, is so fix the register and login page. Then we have to fix the admin page as well, and then fix the the email, the newsletter email as well. So we'll do that tomorrow. So all right, I will get you all tomorrow for another stream. Make sure you like the video, share, subscribe, and comment under the video. And yeah, I would catch you back tomorrow, man. Peace.